हाउ आर यू अविनाश? लॉन्ग टाइम. क्या हाल है मेरे भाई?
ऑल ओके. आप कैसे हैं?
आउटस्टैंडिंग.
This is your living space. I can see the colors here. It's very calm. It's very peaceful.
When I was single,
Hmm.
right, this was very like dingy and this was like a whole party area,
Yeah.
right, all of that. यहाँ पे एक बड़ा होल था, होल के पीछे वो डीजे कंसोल था. फिर शादी हो गई,
हाँ.
राइट. तो अभी ये थोड़ा सा calming हो गया है,
जी.
थोड़ा सा. But I'm very happy about it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I've married my best friend, and I couldn't ask for a better partner.
But tell me, Jackky, what does home mean for you?
Home for me is Rakul,
Hmm.
because my parents most of the time are living abroad,
Yeah.
and my sister's married. So for me, when I come home, for me the definition, I'm a family guy.
Hmm.
So mere liye,
I know that.
you know, mom, dad, my nephew, niece, you know, my sister, brother-in-law, Rakul, of course, is my life, and this is what I come back to. This is what I eat, sleep, breathe, and I feel that कितना भी पैसा कमा लो, if there's no family, then आप क्या करोगे उसमें?
जी.
Right? So I want to earn a lot of money and a lot of wealth, so that I can not worry about that, and I can enjoy with my family.
Yeah.
Somewhere I also want to be the, you know, the gateway for a lot of people
Yeah.
who do not have someone. I want them to feel they have me.
Sure.
That's my dream. As in, if you ask me what all makes me happy.
Yeah. But is that something you do in that direction?
Absolutely.
Something for the haves not?
Absolutely. Because you know, it may sound funny. When we came to Bombay, हम जब बॉम्बे आए थे ना, अविनाश, मैं 3.5 साल का था. हम बच्चन साहब के घर के बाहर, बंगलों के बाहर खड़े रहते थे. So while I personally did not struggle, I saw my father struggle.
Yeah.
And we've as a family been a part of it, right? So when I grew up, I was in between, right? जो fully insider नहीं है, or you can't call me an outsider anymore because now my father's made it.
Correct.
Right? But I know that if that gateway is there, then there are a lot many talented people,
Yeah.
who can benefit.
Yeah.
And I want to be that gateway.
Thank you for this. This is a good initiative. You mentioned Rakul, and as soon as I enter, I see this amazing painting that's from your wedding in Goa.
Yes. Yes.
And I can see a painting picture there also.
Yeah.
What does it symbolize to you? It's a handmade painting?
You know, this was gifted to us by, you know, a fan.
Oh, really?
And we were so touched, and we thought that, you know, this should be right at the epicenter of our living room, because yeah, this was it. Yeah, this moment I can never forget in my life, Avinash. And it was twilight.
Yeah.
And you know, not many people know that I am born with a slight eye issue.
Okay.
Right, I'm born with it. So बहुत दूर का ना center, मेरा center of my eye, थोड़ा सा there's an issue. So बहुत दूर का ना मुझे दिखता नहीं, बहुत दूर का. तो जब दूर से चल के आ रही थी, तो उसने एक बार ऐसा किया, right, which is a code between us for I love you.
Oh, really?
Right. So because in shoots here, there, in public places, we decided that if I do this, it's I love you, and then she said, great, even I'll do this.
Oh, nice.
तो वो दूर से ना स्मोक वोक था, मैं खड़ा था शेड्स पहन के. अब वो इतना बड़ा एली था, उसने एक बार किया, मुझे दिखा नहीं. ठीक है, तो पास आके उसने दूसरी बार गुस्से में किया. So I said, अरे हाँ, so that's when I did this. So that's the moment in that video we put up.
Very sweet. कई लोग जब घर डिजाइन करते हैं तब दे फील कि मिनिमलिस्टिक रखते हैं. कई लोग लाइक टू पुट अप स्टफ से ऑन द वॉल्स, जैसे पेंटिंग, लोग टाइल्स यूज करते हैं, अलग अलग कलर्स यूज करते हैं. व्हेन यू ऑल वर मेकिंग दिस हाउस, what was the idea? Did you want to keep it as minimalistic as possible?
Yes, because you know we believe in less is more. While I would not like to believe this is less, but when I say less is more, museum नहीं बनाना चाहते.
घर लगना चाहिए.
ये भी भर दिया, वो भी भर दिया, ये भी भर दिया. We feel that वो घर वाली feeling होनी चाहिए, not hotel.
I agree.
While you have the luxury of everything,
Yeah.
but there should be certain imperfect, areas. So yeah, we don't both Rakul and me feel यार ज़्यादा भरना नहीं चाहिए. Like I said before marriage, it was slightly more dingy.
हाँ.
अब थोड़ा सा इंसानों वाला.
मैं पूछने वाला था, dingy मतलब क्या करते थे आप यहाँ पे?
अरे मैं इतना सीधा था पहले.
There's a pool here, right inside the house.
Yeah.
Do you go? Do you spend time?
Absolutely.
Really?
Absolutely.
मैंने बहुत लोग से सुना एक बार घर पे पूल बना लेते फिर जाता कोई नहीं.
वो point भी सही है.
हाँ.
Because sometimes what happens is you feel that यार कहीं बाहर बे क्लब या कहीं जाते हैं या उधर स्विमिंग करते हैं. From that side, but we still use it.
Yeah.
It's more like a plunge pool. So we do a lot of aerobic activities, or sometimes friends just want to chill on a weekend. Or you want to do some physio in the water. So from that standpoint, it really is helpful, and we are blessed. Honestly,
That's
pool is a luxury.
Yeah, absolutely.
In the house, and I'm fully modest about it. यहाँ है, so we are grateful.
जी. You and Rakul both are fitness freaks. Are you guys doing something in that direction?
Yeah, we want to do a lot in the fitness space. We really want to, because we feel that it's something which we will be good at because it comes naturally to us.
Yeah.
We will do great to the society. And at the same time, it can be a great business venture also. Because everyone's now started getting conscious about, health and wellness.
Yeah.
पहले क्या था कि यार मैं actor थोड़ा ना हूँ, मैं model थोड़ा ना हूँ. But today everyone wants to look good, feel good, so that they can wear good clothes.
Yeah.
Social media has made you conscious. So we want to. And there are a couple of things on the way which you'll hear about soon.
कुछ बताओगे?
थोड़ा अच्छी एक और बार मिलेंगे अच्छी से.
Done. I also heard, in fact, when it talks about fitness, आप लोग घर पे vegetables खुद उगाते हैं?
Yes. क्या हुआ था? We were sitting one day and we read this article that India is the world cancer capital. And a lot of it is because of the chemical and fertilizers being used in the vegetables we eat. Farmers और किसी की गलती नहीं है, because yield अगर बढ़ाना है तो पैसे बढ़ाने हैं तो सबको वो करना पड़ता है. So we felt that while we are being fit, how can we be sure that the ingredients are good?
Okay.
So to begin with, at this point, we are in a trial and error stage where we've put up the kitchen garden in our house. We contacted a biogas company. So any biofuel का जो waste product निकलता है, that's one of the best खाद्स.
Okay.
So वो खाद हम मंगा के गार्डनर से हमने करके हम पूरा ऊपर बनाते हैं. So करेला, कद्दू, दूधी, मिर्ची, leafy vegetables, etc. सब ऊपर we are growing.
This is a good practice, though. You should inspire more people.
Yeah. I want to do something about it in terms of business also.
Okay.
So we are trying it, and hopefully, if we are successful, then you will hear something about it soon.
हो जाएगा. I'm sure हो जाएगा. Last thing before we move on to the other section, do you guys spend a lot of time in this space? I mean, balcony is also such a luxury in Bombay.
No, we do, because what happens is अभी थोड़ा सा बारिश ज़्यादा पड़ रही है, but we are lucky it's closed,
almost
semi covered.
We
sit outside, and we chill, chat, friends come by. Sometimes we have our food here.
Yeah. Wow, so this is your dining area come living space.
Yeah, this is like a dining area come living space, lounge. It's also my home theater area.
Oh.
The projection is just getting renovated, but if you can see the speakers, it's a 7.1.
Yes. So this is where you watch all your films?
Yes.
So because you are talking about films, ये तो पूछना बनता है कि एक्टिंग के लिए वापस कब हो रही है? बहुत मतलब काफी बड़ा वनवास हो गया जैकी, अब वापस आने की जरूरत है।
देखो आऊंगा तो मैं जरूर. It was a conscious decision that I want to, you know, start producing, get a hold of my life, and make a lot of money, and then do whatever I want with it.
Yeah.
Right? Because I feel that I did 6 films.
Yeah.
Some worked really well, some did not work. I learned a lot, but I just felt that from here on, I want to do something which I want to do. And I want to take control of my life.
Yeah.
So, बहुत जल्दी.
So you'll be producing your own film?
Why not?
Yeah. कुछ है लिखा हुआ है something?
चल रहा है कुछ चल रहा है.
Also
अब तो इतने लोगों का मैं इतने लोगों को चांस दे रहा हूँ तो खुद को दे ही सकता हूँ.
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. But romantic film, action film, what do you like? What do you firstly enjoy as a viewer and then enjoy as an actor?
See, as a viewer, I enjoy all genres because I feel that I like good stories, right? If that is in the form of Sayyara, I think it was Mohit Suri's best work.
Yeah.
Or if it was even a Lapata Ladies or Madgaon Express, which I really enjoyed, which are niche films but made in the right budget and they did the correct business. So for me, that's a much more successful film than Bade Mein Chote Mein, right? बिकॉज इतनी महंगी फिल्म बना के अगर मैं इतने ऑडियंसेस नहीं खींच पाया और वो इतने छोटे फिल्म बना के इतनी ऑडियंस खींच पाई तो मेरे लिए वो ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल है. सो आई लाइक टू वॉच ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ फिल्म्स. व्हाट डू आई वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ एज एन एक्टर? आई थिंक समथिंग डिसरप्टिव नाउ, समथिंग व्हिच one is not expecting from me. So yeah.
Okay, but when you say this whole episode, your learning is that content is the king, and you have to focus.
Yeah, content was always the king, but then there were certain films in between which were doing well because it was driven by a star vehicle. So हमको लगने लगा यही सच्चाई है. जी. But वो सच्चाई नहीं थी. The pandemic has taught us a lot. Yeah. You know, it has taught the audiences a lot. It has exposed people कि यार कोरियन सिनेमा लोग देख रहे हैं, मलयालम सिनेमा देख रहे हैं, टर्किश सिनेमा देख रहे हैं, इंटरनेशनल सिनेमा देख रहे हैं. तो सबको अब किसी को भी ये नहीं लगता कि यार मीडियोक्रिटी विल नॉट वर्क एनीमोर. जी. एंड मीडियोक्रिटी इज नॉट पैसा कम या ज्यादा. थॉट क्या है आपका? यू नो, क्या आप मुझे वो फीलिंग दिला पा रहे हैं कि यार ये कुछ यूनिक है? क्योंकि है तो वही 7 कहानियां जी. वो 7 रस को आपको
7 सुरी है,
घुमा फिरा के आपको सेम ही वो प्रेजेंट करना है. उसमें आप क्या नया बोल सकते हो? आपकी टेकिंग क्या है, टेलिंग क्या है, परफॉर्मर्स कौन है, गाने कैसे हैं? वी आर अ म्यूजिकल कंट्री. म्यूजिक प्लेज अ वेरी वेरी बिग रोल, बट ओनली म्यूजिक एंड नो कंटेंट आल्सो इज नॉट गुड. सो content of course is king.
You also have a library in place with such iconic films from the past. कई लोग बोलते हैं नहीं रीमेक करना चाहिए,
बिल्कुल करना
चाहिए. You have Burning Train है, बीवी नंबर.
Burning Train नहीं, वो मैं
बिया चोपड़ा के साथ.
बिया उनकी फिल्म है, वो उनकी आईपी है. We were doing it together. We are not doing that anymore.
Okay.
But Junu is a friend and I think he is very very talented and he'll do something amazing about it.
बीवी नंबर 1?
Of course करेंगे यार. जी. क्यों नहीं करेंगे? The idea is that if the franchise film is known for a product promise, right? अगर वो product promise को आप तोड़ते हो तो audience को problem होती है, right? Which was my learning out of बड़े मियां छोटे मियां.
Okay.
Right? कि एक top class action comedy मसाला entertainer तो audience को लगा यार मसाला और कॉमेडी तो है ही नहीं जी. वेयर इज योर चलो इश्क लेना है, चलो वेयर इज दैट? जी जी. तू बड़े में छोटे में क्यों बुलाया इसको कुछ और बुला लेते. करेक्ट. सो वन शुड बी वेरी क्लियर. अ फ्रेंचाइज फिल्म, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड अ फ्रेंचाइज, राइट? जी. वो फ्रेंचाइज के एलिमेंट्स ही अगर हम निकाल देंगे तो क्या फायदा जी. सो 100% बनानी चाहिए, लेकिन फिर उस शिद्दत से और उस तरीके से बनानी चाहिए. A brand new content if hits it out of the park, उससे बड़ी खुशी तो कभी नहीं हो सकती जी. वो तो है ही. तो वो तो चालू ही है और वो चालू रहेगा.
इंशाल्लाह बहुत सारी पिक्चर बनेगी. आई एम श्योर बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर
ऑफ कोर्स बनेगी.
कई बार क्योंकि हम ह्यूमंस हैं तो इमोशंस थोड़े ऊपर नीचे होता है, मूड खराब होता है, बहुत कुछ होता है, पर जब घर में घुसता हूँ, मेरे साथ बहुत बार होता है, व्हेन आई एंटर माय हाउस आई सडनली स्टार्ट फीलिंग वेरी रिलैक्स, स्पेशली व्हेन आई गो टू माय डॉटर. I call her my peaceful space. In this house, do you have a peaceful space for you?
It's my room
Hmm.
and with Rakul by my side. Right? That's my most comfortable space in my life.
There's chandeliers here. There's great. I can see this wall. I think walls are also different, right? Every house you've made it very differently. This is unfinished rustic side, but still very classy. है ना?
That's how I am. That's me. You know, rugged yet very regal.
Because you talk about the bachelor's pad, I saw there's a bar there. There's a bar here.
Used to be a bar.
Acha, now it is?
Now, I also do a lot of my meetings that side.
Okay.
But whenever we are socializing, that becomes a bar again.
You cook?
I make very good dosas.
अच्छा.
उसकी भी एक स्टोरी है.
बताओ.
जब मैं 150 किलो का था, इधर ना मणि का डोसा वाला हुआ करता था. तो आई यूज्ड टू हैव मणि का डोसा एवरी डे.
अच्छा.
वहां जाके खड़ा हो जाता था छुप के, पिगी बैंक या इधर उधर से पैसे उस टाइम पे 10-15-20 रुपए का, 25 रुपए का, जो भी. मैं 20 years back. So जब मैं जाता था उधर, आई यूज्ड टू सिट देयर एंड स्टैंड देयर. आई यूज्ड टू सी हिम मेकिंग शेजवान डोसा, मैसूर मसाला, जिनी मिनी, सादा, उत्तपम, सैंडविच डोसा. तो वो सब मैं सीख गया देख.
अच्छा. हाँ.
जैसे द्रोणाचार्य को एकलव्य देख के सीख गया ना सब कुछ, मैं सब सीख गया. चटनी बनाना उसका, ये लाइक इवन सो मच दैट मणि के डोसे का जो मसाला डोसा होता था ना, तो आलू यूज्ड टू मेल्ट इन योर माउथ, क्योंकि वो मैश कर देता था. तो मैं वो भी वैसा ही बनाता हूँ. एंड माय फेटा ऑफ द डोसा इज लाइक अ प्रोफेशनल, वैसे करके पूरा.
वाह, my mouth is salivating now. Yeah. We'll see the other area.
Yeah, come.
Yeah. Come. Wow, I can't do anything of this, huh? So I'll just have to follow you. I can only go as slow as possible.
But this is known Raghav.
Raghav. Crazy.
He has the ownership.
Yeah, absolutely. But you are a crazy dancer, huh? मतलब एकदम.
हाँ, मतलब मैं तो ट्रेडमिल पे करता हूँ.
अच्छा, फेवरेट स्टेप बताओ.
नहीं, मतलब जो ट्रेडमिल पे डिपिंग.
हाँ.
So what happens is when कौन चलेगा एक घंटा, कुछ एक्साइट तो करना पड़ेगा ना अपने आप को.
जी.
So I'll show you. So मैं डिपिंग करने लगता हूँ. तो चल रहा है.
You and Rakul enjoy dancing together.
She doesn't dance with me.
Why?
Because she feels that तुम कहीं भी शुरू हो जाते हो. She is of course a very good dancer but rehearsed. I am a dancer.
Yeah. Natural निकलते.
भजन ये वो माता का पाठ, जागरण, वो ना हुआ आ जाता है.
जागरण भी. Because
beats. It's actually a problem. कि जहाँ मैं बीट सुनता हूँ ना, वो
निकलता शुरू हो जाता है. वाह.
I can't help it.
Yeah.
ऐसा अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? Say when you go to a club, हम क्लब गए, right? So you're
grooving.
तो सब बोलते हैं नॉर्मल करना. हाँ. यही मेरा नॉर्मल है.
ये तब ठीक था. उसके बाद जो आपने किया वो तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
कोई बट लेकिन वो
वाह.
मतलब वो because शामक, I train with शामक.
Yeah.
So by default it's a खराब आदत बोल लो या
नहीं. अभी ऑफ कैमरा, अभी जब हम सेटअप कर रहे थे तब आपने थोड़े बहुत स्टेप्स वहाँ पे भी किए. सो आदत है आपको. ये डांस फिल्म probably next.
एक अच्छी फिल्म कर लूं पहले.
अरे सर, बहुत अच्छी पिक्चरें की आपने. We are in your gym and I know you spend a lot of time here. What is a regular day that
every day in the morning, every day.
अच्छा. No Sunday offs also?
Sunday I take off sometimes. But अगर midweek off हो गया तो फिर Sunday I do cardio. But it's like मेरे लिए gym is like टेकिंग अ शावर. मतलब अगर कोई बोले ना नहा के आए हो क्या, ऑफ कोर्स ना, तो वर्कआउट करके आए हो इज फॉर मी दैट.
श्योर.
इट्स नॉट कि यार मुझे अब जिम करना, बल्कि जिस दिन जिम नहीं होता मैं डिप्रेस हो जाता हूँ. यार
मूड अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है.
3 घंटा सो नहीं पाया ढंग से, मैं जिम नहीं कर पाया. बिना नहाए आप चले जाते हो तो कैसा अजीब लगता है ना, आपको लगता है कोई पकड़ तो नहीं लेगा मुझे. आई फील लाइक दैट व्हेन आई डोंट वर्क आउट. ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई वाज 150 kgs.
Yeah.
So I never want to go back there.
So it's a mix of cardio and weight training every day for you?
Yeah, 20 minutes of cardio every day after weights, and otherwise 75 minutes of pure cardio when there's cardio, because I have a tendency of gaining weight.
Yeah.
So मुझे वो 20 मिनट cardio post workout करना ही पड़ता है.
And this was your prerequisite कि घर जब बनेगा तब घर में जिम होना जरूरी है.
You know, I put mirrors on the ceiling also, because when I started training, तो workout करना मैं आता नहीं था, right? I was not into sports in school. So मेरा ट्रेनर बोलता था, सर एब्स मार रहे हो, सर आपका लेग ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है, सर आपका ये नहीं हो रहा है, और you know when you're doing a bench press, सर आपका right hand. So I used to be like, ठीक तो कर रहा हूँ यार. It's only when someone shoots a video and shows it to you, you're like, shit यार, पूरा alignment off है.
Yeah.
So I said, a mirror on the ceiling
makes a difference.
Then I know exactly.
क्या stance है. Sure. Last thing, Jackky, the house is really, really beautiful, but I really want to ask you, if your house could tell your story, some story about you, what will it say?
The gym. The gym.
It defines you.
This is like my mandir.
It's amazing. It's a very nice house. जैसे मैं बहुत बार कहता हूँ कि बहुत बार लग्जरी घर में जाते हैं तो थोड़ा सा होटल वाली फीलिंग आ जाती है और घर नहीं लगता, पर यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है. It's luxury, but you also feel the house. There's peace, there's niceness, there's goodness.
I think thank you so much. People make
I agree.
The difference.
I agree. Thank you so much for allowing us into your space. It really means a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Avinash. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.